Thanks for joining us in my market report. My name is Mike, and this market report is on mortgage rates. We kind of get into what's impacting mortgage rates on a daily basis, whether it might be something from headline news or something from economic data being reported, or sometimes sentiment on the markets just change, some which is good news and sometimes bad news, and vice versa. And how do you know that? Well, we kind of watch the trends here. We kind of get the inside scoops, and we want to share that with you guys. So if you guys are looking to refinance or looking to buy, you're probably watching rates, and this is a good video for you to watch, as well as like and follow my channel, and you'll get rates, what's impacting rates on a daily basis. So a little bit about myself is I am a loan officer. I do work with a national lender, so we're here to help you guys out. If you guys got questions about mortgage programs or rates or where things are going or the process, we're here to help you guys. So please reach out. We'd love to earn your business, so please let's talk a little bit about your refinance or your purchase deal and see how we can help you guys let you obtain your objectives here. Without further ado, we'll jump right into it. This week, we will start with the economic data, but this week, the big one, of course, will be the Fed. The FOMC will be getting tomorrow, and they'll give their announcement on Wednesday. It's highly expected for them to start talking about their tapering. The key points, of course, that they'll be looking at would be if they will be start the tapering immediately in November, or if they'll start in December. Now, because there's a lot of talk about it still wanting it to be done this year. Before it used to be, are they going to start next year or this year? So highly likely it'll be starting this year. The question will be again November or December, and then they're going to be looking at if their dot plot's available. They'll probably be looking at that to see the next projected rate hike. So that would be expected probably about middle of next year so far, but they might want to see if there's any update to that to this one. Again, let's start off with the economic calendar today. We got the ISM manufacturing PMI for the month of October. September, anything above 50 on this index is considered expansion. So right now we're at 61.1 back in September. It did dip a little bit down to 60.8. Now this week we do got some volatile data as well. We get the jobs data coming out Wednesday. We get the ADP report. Thursday, we get the weekly initial jobless claims, and then Friday will be the Bureau of Labor Statistics talking about non-farm payrolls and unemployment rates. So we'll be taking a look at those on Friday. It could be interesting because it may see some the data we're talking about, as I mentioned before, the jobs. We'll want to kind of look at that labor participation rate, see if that's reflecting any of the people that won't be counted as unemployment that refuse to get their vaccinations, and how they'll be removed from the job data. All right, so headline news: stocks are up today. They're taking the cue from the Q3 earnings reports. They are still showing that they are making, even though we're having higher costs, supply chain issues, and labor issues, they're still making pretty good profit. So they are, but a lot of these people also said that they're trimming their profit for the year going into the fourth quarter. So we'll have to be cautious on there going forward. But right now, they're liking what they see, even though we're still seeing some higher costs, especially in food and energy. Gas prices still keep going up as the price of barrel right now for oil is up to about 84 bucks, and then we got food, which we see when we go to grocery stores. Let's take a look at the mortgage-backed securities. What's going on with mortgage rates today? Like I said before, this 25-day moving average keeps holding us down. So we've tested almost most of last week. So Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday we tested, and it's still held. Today we tested, still holding right now. We're currently down about 8 basis points from where we left off on Friday. Not enough for any change in pricing where mortgage rates will be at. However, here's the volatility for the day so far. As you saw, we're down, and then we rose upwards. Just kind of like what we saw here, where we started off down even lower, but then we rose upwards. And right now we're still kind of at that 25-day moving average right now. So that puts us pretty much mortgage rates at unchanged levels right now. And let's take a look here at the 10-year Treasury. And 10-year Treasury is still kind of the same thing. It's between these two technical levels. Did rise a little bit compared to where we left off, because here's where we were, just under the 25-day moving average, and now we're up on above the 25-day moving average and the other technical level, which puts us at just a hair under 1.59 right now on the 10-year Treasuries. Lastly, let's look at what's going on with the national average for mortgage rates. 15-year at 2.62, and then we got the 3-year at 30-year at the 3.22 level. Again, these rates do have built-in more have built-in points into it, so take with that with a grain of salt. But again, usually you'll see these on the eighth per level. That's why you kind of see these built in there. So, all right. If you guys got questions, please reach out. If you guys like these videos, please smash that like button, follow, or uh, help out our channel. We greatly appreciate you guys and viewing our videos. And without further ado, thank you so much for watching. You guys have a great rest of the day, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye bye.